So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to print on FreeForm. So the first thing you want to do is open up the FreeForm app and you can find it looking something like this. So from here you'll see options on your boards that you have. You can also see this version right here from some different tabs and different categories from boards that you've already had. So from here you can open it up. And you can see something I've been messing around with, so I'm just gonna zoom out to show you guys the complete version of it. So from here you can see the three dots at the top part of the page, and on there just click on that. You can see some of the options on here like rename, favorite, find, add scene, scene navigator, alignment settings, math results, export as PDF, and print. Now if you click on print, if you have a connected printer via Bluetooth or some other way that you've decided to link a printer with your phone, you can print it through there. On here you will see this print option, so how many copies on paper size, the orientation. You can even see the preview underneath of how it's going to look, so they really give you a sense of how it will appear on paper. So after that you can just click on the button print once you have a connected printer. So as I previously said, you will need to have it connected either via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi or some other way that you have your printer, maybe even with a cable connection. So you just need to select a printer, and once you find it, you can just print this board. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on FreeForm or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.